Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get more sales on Mercari using a phone in simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Mercari app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Make sure your item have clear, high quality photos, use good lighting, show item from multiple angles and include any important details or flaws. Next, write a detailed and honest description. Include the brand, size, condition and any special feature. Use keywords buyer might search for so your item appears in search result. At a competitive price, check similar items on Mercari to see what others are selling for. If you want faster sales, consider starting slightly lower than average. Use offers and promotion. Mercari lets you send offers to interested buyers or lower your price for quick sales. This encourages people to buy faster. Response to buyer quickly and politely. Update your listing regularly. Even small changes like improving a photo or updating the description can help your items show up in search again. And that's it. By taking great photos, write clear description, pricing wisely, and communicating well, you can increase your sales on Mercari using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.